Today I'm going to show you how to create a new user and then add them to a role in the role hierarchy. So let's begin. We put in the name. It automatically comes with an alias. We have to put an email in, and this one has to be a real email address. Then we can change the username, Billy Green, and we can add the nickname. Now his title is going to be salesperson, and the department is he's going to work on the Eastern sales team. Okay, and I'm going to give him a license so that he can access certain things. Now I've already made a role called salesman, so I'm going to select that for him. And I've added that role to the hierarchy, so we'll see what happens. So we've got Billy Green, we've got his license, and we don't need any feature licenses right now. So let's go ahead and save. Oh no, it looks like I forgot the important step that the username has to be in an email address. It doesn't have to be a real email address for the username. Now, that's it. Good. Now we're going to go to roles and see the hierarchy. We've expanded it all. So come down here to SVP Sales Marketing. We see underneath of that is the salesman category that we've made, salesman role. And here we can see all the salesman users that are in this role, the whole family of greens. And there's Billy, who we just created. So that's how you add someone to the role hierarchy. You create the role if you need to, or you add a role that is already created to the user, and then they get added straight into the hierarchy where they belong. After you make sure that the role is in the correct place in the order of the hierarchy, of course.